So the truck is here and we're about to see what we got today. All right, let's see what came off the truck. So right here, we have a Street Glide in the Vivid Black. Right here next to John, we have a Street Glide Special in the Vivid Black. We have a Lowrider S in the White Sand Pearl. We have the Nightster with the Red Line Red. We have the Pan America in the Industrial Yellow and the White Sand Pearl. We have a Street Bob in the Red Line Red. We have a Road Glide Special in the Baja Orange. We have a Street Glide ST in the Vivid Black. We have an Ultra Limited in the Gray Haze. And we have another Street Glide ST in the Vivid Black with Eric sitting on it. He can't even handle riding that bike, but he's sitting on it. Yeah, that's a thing. So if any of these bikes interest you, contact us at the number listed below. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like and comment down below, and we will see you in the next one.